In the dynamic world of real estate, building strong relationships with investors is paramount to your success. Investors are your partners, your advocates, and your biggest cheerleaders when you find success. They provide the essential capital that fuels real estate transactions, empowering you to seize opportunities and drive your business forward. But it's not just about securing funding. A strong network of investors offers much more than just financial backing. It opens doors to a wealth of knowledge, experience, and connections. Seasoned investors can offer invaluable insights, guiding you through market fluctuations and helping you make informed decisions. Think of your investor network as a powerful engine. A well-maintained engine, fueled by trust and communication, will propel your real estate ventures to new heights. Neglecting this crucial element can lead to missed opportunities and stalled growth. Investing in these relationships is investing in your future. Take the time to cultivate trust, communicate effectively, and consistently deliver on your promises. Remember, a strong investor network is an invaluable asset in the competitive world of real estate. Trust is the bedrock of any successful relationship, and it is especially critical when it comes to real estate investors. Investors are entrusting you with their hard-earned capital, and they need to feel confident that you have their best interests at heart. Building trust takes time and effort. It requires honesty, transparency, and a genuine commitment to acting in your investors' best interests. Always be upfront about potential risks and rewards. Don't shy away from difficult conversations. Be reliable and follow through on your commitments. If you say you'll do something, do it. This consistency builds confidence and demonstrates your integrity. Investors are more likely to continue partnering with you when they know they can rely on you. Remember, trust is earned, not given. By prioritizing honesty, transparency, and reliability in all your interactions, you will cultivate a foundation of trust that will serve you well in all your investor relationships. Open and frequent communication is crucial for fostering strong relationships with real estate investors. Investors want to be kept informed about their investments, both the good and the bad. Regular updates, even if there are no significant developments, demonstrate your commitment to transparency. Establish clear lines of communication from the outset. Determine the preferred communication methods for each investor. Some may prefer concise emails, while others might appreciate a quick phone call. Tailor your communication style to their preferences. When sharing updates, be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Avoid technical jargon that might confuse investors. Use visuals like charts and graphs to present financial information in a digestible format. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Encourage investors to reach out with questions or concerns. Be responsive to their inquiries and address their concerns promptly and thoroughly. By fostering open dialogue, you can build stronger, more trusting relationships. Investors are drawn to expertise. They want to partner with professionals who have a deep understanding of the real estate market and a proven track record of success. Position yourself as a knowledgeable expert to gain the trust and confidence of potential investors. Stay ahead of market trends, analyze investment opportunities thoroughly, and be able to articulate your investment strategy clearly and persuasively. Back up your claims with data and research. Demonstrate that you have a finger on the pulse of the real estate market. Share your knowledge generously. Provide investors with valuable insights and educate them about the intricacies of real estate investing. When investors view you as a trusted advisor, they are more likely to entrust you with their capital. Remember, building a reputation for expertise takes time and effort. Continuously educate yourself, stay informed about market dynamics, and always strive to provide value to your investors. By establishing yourself as a thought leader, you'll attract investors who are eager to collaborate with you. Transparency is essential for building trust and maintaining strong relationships with investors. Being open and honest about all aspects of your real estate dealings, even when things don't go as planned, demonstrates your integrity and commitment to your investors' best interests. Provide clear and accurate financial reporting. Give investors access to relevant documentation and keep them informed about how their money is being used. Don't hide potential risks or challenges. Address them openly and honestly, outlining your mitigation strategies. Transparency fosters trust and confidence. When investors know they are getting a complete and accurate picture, they are more likely to feel secure in their investment decisions. Remember, transparency is not just about disclosing information. It's about creating a culture of openness and honesty in all your interactions with investors. Every investor is unique, with their own financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timelines. Taking the time to understand these individual needs and goals is essential for building successful, long-lasting partnerships. Before you even discuss specific investment opportunities, have a conversation with your investors. What are their financial aspirations? Are they looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? What level of risk are they comfortable with? Once you understand their objectives, you can tailor your investment recommendations accordingly. Present opportunities that align with their investment style and risk appetite. This personalized approach demonstrates that you value their individual needs and are committed to helping them achieve their financial goals. Remember, building strong investor relationships is about more than just closing deals. It's about fostering partnerships based on mutual understanding and shared success. In the world of real estate investing, your reputation is everything. Consistency in delivering on your promises is paramount to building a strong track record and earning the trust of your investors. When you commit to a project timeline, a communication schedule, or a certain level of return, follow through on those commitments, no matter what. Investors value reliability. They want to partner with individuals who consistently deliver on their word. If unforeseen circumstances arise that impact your ability to meet your commitments, communicate proactively with your investors. Explain the situation clearly, outline your plan to address the issue, and keep them informed every step of the way. Remember, consistency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of all successful investor relationships. Section 8. Tailored opportunities, matching investor style with investment strategy. Not all real estate investment opportunities are created equal. Just as investors have different financial goals and risk tolerances, they also have different investment styles. Some may prefer the stability of long-term rentals, while others are drawn to the potential for quick returns through flipping properties. Understanding these nuances is crucial for matching the right opportunity with the right investor. Don't waste time pitching a fix and flip to an investor who is primarily interested in generating passive income. Instead, take the time to understand their preferred investment strategies and present opportunities that align with their specific interests. This tailored approach demonstrates that you value their investment goals and are committed to helping them achieve success on their own terms. It shows that you are not just interested in closing any deal, but in building long-term partnerships based on mutual benefit. Remember, a successful real estate investor is a matchmaker, connecting the right investors with the right opportunities. Section 9. The long game, cultivating relationships beyond single deals. Building strong relationships with real estate investors is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about cultivating long-term partnerships that extend far beyond individual transactions. Don't view investors as transactional ATMs. Instead, approach each interaction as an opportunity to nurture the relationship. Stay in touch even after a deal closes. Continue to provide value by sharing market insights, offering educational resources, or simply checking in to see how they are doing. Remember, the best investors are repeat investors. They are more likely to invest with someone they know, trust, and have a strong relationship with. By playing the long game and focusing on building genuine connections, you create a sustainable pipeline of investment opportunities for the future. Section 10. Active listening. The secret to unlocking investor needs. Active listening is a powerful tool for building strong relationships with real estate investors. It's about more than just hearing what they have to say. It's about truly understanding their perspectives, concerns, and aspirations. When you actively listen to your investors, you gain valuable insights into their motivations, goals, and investment preferences. This information is invaluable for tailoring your communication, identifying suitable investment opportunities, and building stronger, more meaningful relationships. Ask open-ended questions, pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues, and don't interrupt. Paraphrase what you've heard to ensure understanding and demonstrate that you are truly engaged in the conversation. Remember, active listening is a skill that takes practice. The more you do it, the better you'll become at uncovering the needs and desires of your investors, which will ultimately lead to stronger, more profitable partnerships. Section 11. Building for the future. Nurturing relationships for long-term success. Building strong relationships with real estate investors takes time, effort, and a genuine commitment to fostering mutually beneficial partnerships. It's not something that happens overnight, but the rewards far outweigh the investment. By prioritizing trust, transparency, communication, and a deep understanding of your investors' needs, You lay the foundation for long-term success in the real estate industry. Remember, your investor network is one of your most valuable assets. Nurture these relationships, and they will pay dividends for years to come.